well, man. We are trying small, man. Small.
Small. That's the only way to go up, brother.
How are things that side? How's business? How's everything?
Uh, Good as always, brother. You know, life is it's full of up and downs. That's what makes life more interesting.
Yeah.
But beside that, forward we go. We fail, but we fail forward, brother.
Man, you always drop gems, man. Whenever you open your mouth, you speak bombs.
No, I'm trying, man. I'm doing the best I can. How are you, my man?
I'm good, man. So, X invited me to an event that's happening this Friday, and man, I'm sad I can't go, bruh. Ish, because then I'm leaving.
Yeah.
I'm leaving tomorrow, and I'm coming back on Sunday. Ish.
Yo, where are you going, my brother? Deep in the world. Where are you going?
I'm trying to push. When I'm trying to push, I get I'm busy with other things, like so now, like, ish, these things are demanding of time. Ish.
Yeah.
But I'm around. SbuFx.
Yeah, man. Above it all, man, I'm very, very inspired by you and Keys, man. You know, when I look at you, man, and I look at Keys, that is a true testimony that God is really for all of us. He really comes through for everybody, and really hard work does pay. Because if I speak about somebody who knows you, I know you, not that personally, but I know you. I know Keys, and to look at the level that God has took you guys up to, man, big ups to that.
Bro, thank you so much. Well, I think you're highlighting something very important, that people often don't have like that much faith when they're going through things. But at the end of the day, God is up to something. God is always up to something, even when things aren't necessarily looking up in a way that we prefer.
Yeah.
But like, God is always working overtime and always up to something, making sure that everything goes in line with our purpose and what we are born to become, bruh. So with me also, when I think back, I'm just like,
God is amazing. God is amazing.
God is
I'm
amazing,
very, very inspired and touched, man. That's where now you guys are the people who are game changers. You're the people who bring hope to Soweto to say, you know what, Forex really work, because these people, we've been seeing Forex up there, but you guys are the people who took it to the ground and say, you know what, there's nothing. Remember, I was with Keys about 4 months back, we say Orlando. He told me, says, Boo, there's nothing I'll do beside Forex. This is what I do. There's nothing for me but this, And look at the results, man. It's very inspiring, and the growth behind everything. Growth, man.
It's all consistent and hard work, bruh. Consistent and hard work the whole time, man. It's always been that, and to have people like you who are always like, supportive and always there to even like lead the way. So it's always been a pleasure and a blessing, bruh.
Man, that's the case. That's the only way up, brothers. But beside all, man, Dr. Martin, the only doctor in Africa.
SbuFx, my brother.
Look at yourself, man. You in the balconies now. You relax. Look at you, man. What is happening?
I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing the side. I'm relaxing, man. It's all work. It's all work, and it's all work.
No, man. I need
someone
some
knows Mr. Busy Corner. This one knows exactly who you are.
Mr. Busy Corner is not me right now. I'm SbuFx right here. These people. Martin, beyond everything, man, what I've learned, and I'm very, very inspired by you guys. I'm very, very humbled. I'm very, very touched, because hard work really, really pays, but it's not easy. Trust me, I know. Again, it's been worse. I once been stuck with the Jaguar. Petrol, dude. Like, it's not easy. You're stuck with a big car in the road, being a trader and all. But
it's crazy how God takes us through seasons and specific places and areas just to basically, take us to where we are meant to be, right at the end. And we must always trust the process and always believe that, we'll get to where we're supposed to get.
Yeah, it's process. Beside anything, it's process. And if as much as failure comes, but I normally say failure is the best teacher, because now you will never master success if you haven't failed. You need to fail in life so that you can master all the systems of failure, so that you know, Guti, if I do this, I will definitely fail because I've failed before. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We must fail
Yeah.
forward, fail early, and fail often. That's what I normally say. You must fail
Mm.
early, fail often, and fail forward. You must allow failure, because failure is the best teacher of all, because you master all the systems of life, and not of life per se, but the systems of how to handle your life. You know,
Yeah.
if I approach this, I will definitely fail. I've approached this before, I failed, and let me try something else, because now in strategy that worked for you in 2018, don't tell me it will work for you now. It's about being innovative. There's no strategy that says, if it says this,
Yeah.
I buy, I will make money. It doesn't work like that. But
Yeah.
it's an often, growth and all. So that's the language I use.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of losses. I'm not afraid of failing, because I live in that life, man. That's why even if a girl can come to me and say, I'm breaking this guy's heart, he knows nothing. Forex have done that already. I
Yeah.
don't
The
ever have
Forex is
anymore.
done. I like that, man. I like that. So I normally tell people that like one of my addictions and something that I'm really into is failure. And people are
Yeah,
confused as why do you love failing? I think it is only in failure where you only get the chance in the moment to stand back and also like reevaluate your position and reevaluate your strategies and stuff. Because oftentimes when we win too much, we tend to lose our method and our blueprint of our destination to
yeah,
success. And it is only when we
yeah,
fail that we get to go back to the drawing board and even look at the fact that are we still going and moving towards the right direction, or are we still
yeah,
doing what we were here for? Because you know
yeah,
how
brother.
when it gets to your head and you believe that you are great, you believe that you are good, even when nothing is necessarily happening in your life.
Yeah,
But for the mere fact that you won in that particular day, then you think and you believe that you are doing well. But it is only in failure that you get a chance to spend with the real you and the dreamer that is inside
yeah,
of you to
yeah.
basically get back to why you started and start moving in that direction of the reasons of your starting in this journey of success. So I think I love failure, man. I love failure, and I'm addicted to it because it's the only thing that gives me the time to get back to who I really am
Yeah.
and reunite with myself. So I agree with you on that one, bro.
People are afraid of failing, brother. And now, when you're afraid to fail, you're running away from your success, because there's nobody, even your Elon Musk, your Jeff Bezos, they only went through their fair share of failure. We Like every trader will tell you, I have my fair share of losses. Okay,
Yeah.
now one asks me, Sbu, what keeps you going? I said, hey man, what keeps me going is the money I lost in the markets, because I haven't reached the money I've lost. They say, but
Yeah,
man,
you
you
have
have
to
so much.
recover.
Yeah, but man, you have so much. Yeah, you see so much. I've lost more than what you see. So for now, I'm still recovering and I'm still making losses. Do you know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
people
And
will like,
yeah.
yeah, they will
And I
say,
mean,
no, man,
failure
yeah,
can only mean you are doing something. It's only people who aren't necessarily doing anything who are not failing. But
yeah,
once you start
yeah,
failing,
yeah,
then you know you are doing something, and that's one thing that people must really like look into. That
yeah,
the fact that you are failing means that you are doing something, and the fact that you are doing something is enough. That's
yeah,
enough
yeah,
because one
yeah.
day you'll get it
I
right.
truly
Just
agree
one.
with you.
Yeah.
One day you'll get it right. One day, like my friend, I was talking to Enzo. He told me, say, he knows, Boo, in this trading life, man, it's tricky. You can have a bad week. Actually, you can have a bad month. You can have a bad year. But the day you'll get it right, you can have a one good day that will recover all the 3 months. Do you know what I'm
That
saying?
will
That's
cover
why we
everything.
keep on pushing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we need to
because
keep on moving, man.
you can lose the whole week and start to trade the following Monday and recover everything and make more. You get what I'm saying? Like it
Yeah,
happens.
yeah,
Remember when
yeah,
you and remember I came to your house. It was you and your brother who taught me who taught me Nasdaq. The following
yeah.
week I made 90K. You get what I'm
Mm,
saying? So like,
mm.
yo, Nasdaq pays. But now it did pay. Yes, it made the facial, but I did make losses. You get what I'm saying? I made
Yeah,
like a lot
yeah,
of losses, made a lot of
yeah,
losses, and made.
yeah.
But when you recover, my brother,
It's
how I
like you never
recover,
lost
my
anything.
it's like you never lost anything. Because even if I can have the last, I have to pay my house. I have 10,000 to pay my house, right?
Yeah.
and that's the last 10,000 I have. I will trade it, brother. I will trade it.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
what will I buy food with tomorrow? Forex has a potential to give me more money to survive throughout that month. Even if I have the last 10K, bro, to pay the house, then you're done. Then,
Yeah.
like, I trade this or I pay the house. Rather trade it. Rather lose money
Yeah.
trying to make money.
Ish, bruh, powerful. Rather lose money trying to make money. Ish. SbuFx, Buffet. SbuFx, SbuFx. I'm a legend, Buffet. I'm cool, Mzansi, love.
Don't listen to yourself now, fooling me. Don't play with me like that, my man.
I'm being
No many.
serious. SbuFx. People don't know. People don't know, man. I'm cool, love.
But anyway, I'll take the credit for that. But anyway, man, let's keep working, my brothers. Let's keep the positive energy. The Indabazogulu, beef, and all, man. Let's leave that aside. Let's stick to our own lane. Let's make money. The game is to make money. You trade forex to make money. You know, you do forex. Just say let's stay out of each other's business. Because that's the only problem we have in South Africa. We try
Yeah.
to show who's better than who. I'm a trader. I wanna look good to my friends or my clients with other forex traders. Let's stop that. You know,
Yeah.
let's just stick to our lane. Make your own money. I make my money. Then everybody has mistakes, man. Trust me. Everybody
Yeah.
has mistakes. You can go and search SbuFx and search everything about him from the day he started. You'll find my flaws. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we as traders, we capitalize. I go and search Martin, and whatever I'll find about Martin, I want to capitalize on it. I want to put it on the social media, not knowing I'm destroying this guy's name. In the sense that why don't I go to Martin and learn what he can teach me? You know, like when you got a new
Yeah.
skill, you say, "Sbu, I saw you got something new, man. Can I come through?" You literally come through. We learn from one another. We grow each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? That's the only way we can grow
100%.
in
Yeah,
South
it's all
Africa.
about growth. It's all about
Yeah.
growth. But thank you so much, my bros. It was great catching up. It's been a very
Thanks,
long
man.
time, man. Yo,
It's been a long time, man. Let's
well,
make
let's
money,
do
my brother.
it.
Hey, me, I'm buying
Let's make
Nasdaq. I'm
money.
buying Nasdaq. I'm buying
You're
Nasdaq.
buying Nasdaq. I'm
Yeah,
waiting
I
for
saw that.
US states. I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pulling back right now, so I'm gonna wait for it a bit and then I'll buy it. Maybe around New York Open. I'll see.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Actually, I'm also waiting for that so that one can hit a good buy. And yeah, but I'm exiting my trades now as well. I was in a
Yeah,
buy, but I made some small dollars. Yeah, it's about that. It's about downloading, man.
it's about downloading, man. It's boo.
There's nothing else, but brother, keep well, man.
Sure, Boo. Sharp, man.
All the